Uy, gaano nakalayo yung nalakad mo ngayon? Another question is, maghapon ka naman nakaupo sa bahay tapos wala kang ginagawa. Bagong slogan ngayon nagsasabi that sitting is the new smoking. Hindi siya exaggerated pero totoo siya. Imagine comparing cigarettes sa matagal na pag-upo. So ibig sabihin yung matagal na pag-upo natin sa araw-araw is walang kaibahan sa paninigarilyo. Yung risk na nakukuha ng isang naninigarilyo is parehas din nung risk na nakukuha ng isang taong matagal na nakaupo o walang ginagawa. So dito papasok yung kahalagahan ng walking. Walking is actually the easiest way or access para makagalaw tayo sa araw-araw. I began my brisk walking journey simula na nagkaroon ako ng anxiety. And brisk walking journey, may ganun? Oo, may ganun. Kasi nga tamad tayong maglakad, tamad tayong gumalaw-galaw. Checklist. Tingnan nyo kung gaano katagal yung screen time nyo sa phone. Ako din guilty ako dyan. Pangalawa, anong oras ka kumakain ng last sa gabi tapos matutulog ka na? Ano yung mga habits na meron ka pag gabi? Nagbi-binge watching ka pa ba tapos natutulog ka na? And tingnan nyo yung mga tao noong unang panahon. Mas matagal yung lifespan nila. Walang social media, hindi sila matagal nakaupo. Walang procrastination, gumagalaw sila, kumikilo sila. Mas mahaba yung buhay nila. Then, paano tayo gagalaw-galaw? Maraming paraan. Actually, pwede kang mag-gym, pwede kang tumakbo, pero ang pinakamadali talaga is brisk walking. Doctor's recommendation is actually 8,000 steps a day minimum, kung kaya mo yun. And then, kung oras yung pagbabasihan, you can do at least 30 minutes a day of walking. Working from home, so prone talaga ako dyan sa procrastination at matagal na pag-upo. That's why our company provided a sit and stand table, pero hindi naman talaga nagagamit. So, paano ko sinisimulan yung araw ko? Unang-una sa paglalakad. For brisk walking journey is actually a commitment. Then you have to set a goal to yourself. So, it could be minimum of 8,000 steps a day. This is how I begin my day. So, unang-una pagising na umaga, aside from meditation and prayer, then you can actually drink a warm water and then you can do a small walk around the vicinity. That's the start of the journey. So, umaga pa lang naglalakad ka na. Then as you go on with the day, kung may mga errand ka na 1 kilometer lang at hindi naman mainit yung araw, I suggest you walk. Pangalawang bagay, how are you going to measure your steps? So, unang-una, meron kang smartphone, so basic talaga na magkaroon ka ng smartwatch. Pwede mo siyang i-pair sa phone, so pwede mong kunin yung record through the app kasi may companion app siya, or pwedeng mismo dun sa screen ng phone. So naka-record lahat. Kung wala ka naman smartwatch, you can actually simply download an app, lalo kung meron kang smartphone. So itong app na dinownload ko is a speedometer or pedometer, step counter. Isa to sa pinakasimple na na-download ko na app. And isa sa pinakasikat na app ngayon for walking and also for running and jogging is Strava. Maganda kasi yung interface nyo nakikita mo talaga yung mapa and then you can actually customize the map, but I'm not so sure kasi mukhang ang app na to is nagiging dating app na talaga siya. Kidding aside, so kung wala ka ng mga naunang nabanggit to measure your step counts every day, so you can stick actually to the 30-minute walking every day. Pinakasimple kasi noong unang panahon naman wala naman talaga tayo pang measure ng step counting natin So they just check the watch, so 30 minutes, 1 hour, so nasa sa'yo yun kung ano yung goal mo for brisk walking. If you can do more aesthetic in your walking, maayos na clothes, nakasapatos, naka-smartwatch, or iba, naka-sunglass pa nga, that will be fine. Pero walking is actually simple lang. Hindi na natin dapat gawing komplikado. Actually, sa umaga pa lang, paglabas mo ng bahay kahit naka-tsinelas ka, you can start your journey at walking. And pag natapos na yung araw na yun, then you can check your phone, you can check your app, you can check your smartwatch, or depende sa'yo kung sinusulat mo. You have a record, and simply, you have a walk to remember. Next. Let us not forget that the diseases that we are acquiring right now are majority lifestyle diseases. And don't forget na yung walking is a form of lifestyle as well. Again, sitting is the new smoking. It requires consistency, so kung hindi mo sisimulan ngayon, kailan pa? Finally, let us all have a daily and everyday walk to remember. Yun lang naman. Good night.